I put a pot on low flame, and I added around 4 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Oops. So I'm gonna allow that to add. Now with the salted mackerel, as I mentioned before, I put it to boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I remove it from the pot from the heat. Then I pour off the water. Then I rinse the salted mackerel with some tap water. Yeah, and that's it. The excess salt removed. Now I am gonna add onion, add pepper and tomato, and 1 clove of garlic. And I'm gonna allow this to saute into the hot oil until translucent. Okay, so you want to saute the seasonings or the fresh herbs until they look like this, right? So they are transparent and cook. They are cooked, right? So now I'm gonna add the salted mackerel. And remember, the excess salt is removed from the mackerel, right? And you can have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, but it is widely eaten in Jamaica for breakfast. So now I am gonna add black pepper. So I'm gonna sprinkle on a little black pepper on it. So this step is optional. You don't have to add ketchup, but I can tell you that 99.9% Jamaicans add ketchup because the ketchup helps to enhance the taste, and it also gives a good gravy. So now you want to like stir it a bit to combine. If you want, you can use a fork and shred the mackerel, right? You can shred the mackerel using a fork, but I do not like it like that. So like you saw before, where I slice it. That's how I like it. So now I'm gonna cover it for about, say, 2 minutes to let it just come together, and that's it. So this is it. Fry up mackerel, and I'm gonna have this with green bananas and dumplings. So if you believe that it is too oily for you, you use less oil, but I'm not gonna put the oil in the plate. I'm gonna use the spoon and kind of drain off some of the oil when dishing out the food, right? So I will be right back.